Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how automated vacuum cleaners work at Canadian gas stations. So I have come to a gas station in order to put vacuum in my car. So you can see that, let me focus zoom. I'll show it from outside also. Like $3 you get or 10 minutes. So you can pay in two ways. Either you put the coin here, then the machine is going to be activated. You take this pipe and vacuum everything, or else you can tap your card here, okay, and then you can use the machine again for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go outside and do, okay, so stay with me. So unfortunately it has become a rainy day, but I have to do it. So very first thing I'm gonna do is to open my car, because I'll get just 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna put coins here. Now, like an ordinary vacuum cleaner, you can vacuum all the areas of your car. Remember guys, suction is very high, so be careful, and you get it for the limited time. So get your car ready first and then you do this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me clean. Thank you. Bye.